In a recent video, we taught you how to use papaya seeds as a dewormer. Did you watch it? Vermicides are being widely discussed recently. Did you notice it? It is worth remembering that dewormer and vermicides don't work as preventive medicine, only as a treatment for existent causes, eliminate worms and parasites from the body. Did you know that intestinal parasites are one of the most common health issues? However, they are hard to detect since the symptoms can be confused with bloating, gas, digestive issues, frequent diarrhea, or irritable bowel syndrome. Other symptoms include extreme fatigue, periods of allergy, and low immunity. Also, it's seldom possible to know if you have vermin in your body or not. Did you know that stool tests rarely give back real results about possible infections? Because each worm has a different life cycle, it is hard to detect eggs or individuals in only 3 stool samples, the usual procedure in these tests. Today, you will learn how to make a natural juice with pumpkin seeds to naturally cleanse your body from worms and parasites. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc and strengthen the immune system. It also contains a substance called piperazine, responsible for eliminating intestinal parasites. We can find this substance at drugstores as a medicine, and if that wasn't enough for you, it is also used as an old but very efficient dewormer technique. Write down the ingredients: 34 ounces coconut water, 80 pumpkin seeds, 2 tablespoons honey, 1.4 ounces. Directions: first peel and grind the seeds, then add the coconut water and mix. Add the honey and stir well, and it is ready. You can drink it. After drinking this juice, you need to take a natural laxative to potentialize the elimination of intestinal parasites. We encourage you to talk to a doctor when doing a natural treatment on your own. Also, keep a healthy diet to avoid infection by worms and parasites. Avoid eating sugar, refined flour, milk and dairy, red meat, sausages, and alcohol. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.